Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check for system updates on Hisense Smart TV. To do this, we'll need to click on the gear icon in the top left corner of the screen, scroll down to support and then scroll down to system upgrade. Here you can click on check firmware upgrade and it will see if there's any updates available. So it seems that I have the latest version, but in case you will need to update your TV, then you will see the download button on the left. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.